In this lesson, we're going to be talking about Azure AI Document Intelligence, a cloud-based service that is designed to revolutionize how organizations handle document processing. It was formerly known as Forms Recognizer. It has been renamed to highlight its advanced AI capabilities in understanding and analyzing documents. Azure AI Document Intelligence automatically reads, comprehend, and analyze business documents, enabling efficient data extractions and management. This service is essential for organizations aiming to streamline operations, make informed decisions, and foster innovation by effectively processing vast amounts of data. Azure AI Document Intelligence comprises three primary services. The first one is document analysis. This feature extracts text, tables, and structured forms from various documents, providing organized, actionable content. It includes models like Read, which extracts both printed and handwriting text. Layout captures text, tables, and overall structures of documents. And then lastly, general documents, which retrieves text, structures, and key value pair. Second one is pre-built models. These are machine learning models trained for specific document types, such as receipts, including hotel and gas receipts, invoices, extracting pertinent details like invoice numbers and totals, identity documents, like processing various of forms of identifications. These models identify text and field names, outputting the data in JSON formats for seamless integrations into databases. And then third, custom models, tailored to your organization's unique documents. These models can be trained with as few as 5 sample forms. They are required an Azure storage account and allowed customizations to meet specific data extraction needs. So Azure AI Document Intelligence offers flexible deployment. Deploy the service in the cloud, on premises, or at an edge with a container support, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your existing infrastructure. Built-in security. Benefit from enterprise-grade security and privacy applied to both your data and any trained models. And then lastly, automation of business workflows, which extract text, key value pairs, tables, and structures, forms, documents, and integration with backend systems to automate tasks such as claims, invoices, and receipt processing. Organizations across various industries can leverage Azure AI Document Intelligence for automated data processing, which quickly extract and process data from large volumes of documents, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. And then enhances data-driven strategies, where you can gain valuable insights from unstructured data to inform business decisions. And then lastly, enrich document search capabilities, which improve search functionalities within the document repositories by extracting and indexing key information.